Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you basically about Upwork, how to get started on the platform. All right, so this is my profile here, and I've been on it when it was Odesk. Now it's Upwork. So you would say I've been on it for about 11 years, but I've been actively on it, like pursuing freelancing from 2017. All right, so I'm just gonna show you some stuff on it, show you how to navigate. All right, so these are basically the reviews that I got. Let me go all the way to the end. Yes, so first 2017. So my first job that I did to get some reviews was it was cold calling. I was given some numbers to call to get specific responses, and this is what they paid me, $6. So I basically worked my way up. Then I took another work, which was for $8. And then let's go next. All right, scrolling down. Just a second here. All right, so then the next thing I did was try to write blog articles, and this is what I did. I wrote blog articles. It was a fixed rate. I think I had to write about 5 blogs. So this is what they gave me. So Upwork usually takes out a percentage. I think it started off with 20%, but as you get more jobs, they lessen the percentage. I will give you more details on it. So after that, I did some other work here, a research project, and then I did more research. I did Spanish audios, more research, more research. And then this was when I tried to do like this was like a call center job. All right, let's go now. All right, so this now, so this I tried social media marketing, and this was trying to get workers, and this was Instagram posting. Yeah, social media marketing again, and these are cold calling. So basically, you can do just about any type of job here on Upwork. It's just how you market yourself and about the rating that you get. So with the freelancing journey, you have to treat everything as how you would do a real job. So they are looking for work ethic, what you bring to the table, how you respond, how quick you respond. These are some of the things that they look for. All right, so this is just what it is right now. All right, so let me come out of this. So this is just my profile. I'm gonna show you now as if I were to make up a profile. All right, so yeah, I'm just gonna log out. All right, so to create an account, you would go sign up, and then you'd select I'm a freelancer looking for work, right? Click apply as a freelancer. You'd fill out all the information, the country where you're from, and you create your account. All right, so once you created the account, they will ask you to verify the email, and then I think it's gonna be about 2 days before you get approval. So that's what you have to do there. All right, and also what I want to share is that, it's a matter of time. It takes discipline, it takes time, and it's all about your mindset, what you want to achieve. As with success, nothing happens overnight. All right, so that is how you basically create the account. Enter the name, the email, the country. All right, so 1 second here.